Hi everyone, my name is TJ Kasner and I am the graduate assistant for the baseball program here at DeSales University. I accepted the infield coaching position and in the process of applying became the hitting coach as well. I am going on my second year here and have enjoyed my time so far. The goals we have for this year are to graduate all of our seniors and retain all of our players who are not graduating after the school year. On the field, we are working towards winning the conference championship and getting to a regional for the first time since 2008. It has been a great fall for us so far with the time we have been given, but the weather this fall hasn't been cooperating like we would like. There's been a lot of rain these past couple weeks that have pushed us back, but nonetheless, we are still working hard to achieve our goals. At the end of our fall season, we will host Clarion University for a doubleheader on our homecoming date. Last year, we split the two-game set with them, but this year we plan on winning both games and enjoying the food and fireworks afterwards. This is going to conclude my video. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day.